Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on your Nunchuk Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your profile picture on Nunchuk Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Nunchuk Wallet application. The home page of Nunchuk Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on camera icon just below your profile picture. You can either take a picture or select existing photo from gallery to change your profile picture on Nunchuk Wallet's account. Choose any one of the option. Here I'm gonna go with choosing existing photo from a gallery. Select a picture from your gallery and tap on it. This is how you can change your profile picture on Nunchuk Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.